What's up guys, Josh here, Fugatech, and the newest iteration of Huawei's Nova series has arrived here in the Philippines. And in this video, we're checking out the Nova 8i. We're gonna check out what it's got, but first, we take it out of the box. Lifting up the lid, we're greeted by the phone itself. Ours comes in this very nice moonlight silver color. Below that is a smaller box containing the SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, and a clear jelly case that you can use to protect the phone. Below that, we get the USB Type-C cable, as well as a powerful 66-watt charger that's sure to juice up the Nova 8i very quickly. At first glance, the Nova 8i looks a lot like the Mate 30 series, as it has a similar camera design. The back looks like glass, but it's actually made out of a tough polycarbonate material. The phone feels solid and hefty, and is comfortable to hold thanks to its curved edges. Checking out the front panel, we get a 6.67-inch IPS edgeless display with a pill-shaped cutout in the upper left corner housing the 16-megapixel selfie camera. The bezels are also very slim, even on the chin. As for the sides, the left side is bare, while located on the right are its volume rocker and the power button that doubles as a fingerprint scanner. Up top are the 3.5mm headphone jack, secondary microphone, and of course, the earpiece. At the bottom, you'll be presented with the loudspeaker, main microphone, USB Type-C port, and a dual nano SIM tray. The Nova 8i is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 662, 8GB of RAM, and 128GB of internal storage. And on the software front, you get EMUI 11 based on Android 10, minus the Google Play services, of course. And for battery, it has a 4,300 mAh capacity cell with support for 66-watt Huawei Supercharge, which is definitely one of this phone's strong points. Now for the cameras. At the back, we get a quad cam setup composed of a 64-megapixel main, an 8-megapixel ultrawide, a 2-megapixel macro, and another 2 megapixels for the depth sensor. We'll go more in depth on its camera performance in another video. But for now, take a look at these sample shots. With that, it's pretty much a wrap-up for this quick unboxing and hands-on with Huawei's new Nova 8i. As for the Nova 8i's pricing, we'll put that in the description box below once we get that information. But for now, what do you guys think about the new Huawei Nova 8i? Let us know in the comment section down below what you guys think, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you guys don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Josh, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.